Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your credit card in Spectrum account detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your credit card in your Spectrum account, begin by navigating to the Spectrum website. Locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button to access the login page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the appropriate link to retrieve or reset this information. Once you have successfully logged in, look for the Account tab in the menu. Click on the Account tab to access your account details. Next, select the Billing section from the Account Overview. In the Billing section, find the Payment Methods option and click on it. You will see a list of your current payment methods. Look for the option labeled Add a new credit card or Edit next to your existing card. If adding a new card, fill in the required fields with your credit card information. This includes your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Ensure that all information is entered correctly to avoid any errors. If you are editing an existing card, simply update the necessary fields. After you have added or updated your card details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Update button. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your credit card information has been successfully updated. To ensure your changes were saved, you may want to navigate back to the Payment Methods section. Check that your new or updated credit card information is displayed correctly. Finally, log out of your account by clicking the Sign Out option. This completes the process of updating your credit card in your Spectrum account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.